All right, guys, so today we're working on the Lemons Ranger. If you don't know what the Lemons Ranger is, go back and watch the first episode on the channel. It talks about what the Mustang is, what the Ranger is. But if you don't want to, which I hope you do, watch time, you know, go back and watch it. It is talking about 24 hours of lemons and what we're doing with it. It's a 91 Ford Ranger that we are taking the EcoBoost that came out of the Mustang and we're putting it into the Ranger. Is it $500? Yeah, because, you know, all the money that I bought the Mustang with was in the Mustang, so the motor was free, and we bought the Ranger for $170, so we're pretty good on that. But let's go ahead and dig into it. And oh yeah, I got the sign up. I see you checking out the hat. Well, you can get it now at HewettApparel.com. along with many of other hats and shirts just like it. Shop HewettApparel.com today.
Say what?
.com.
The motor is actually in the Ranger, but, you know, nothing beneficial coming from it yet. Yeah. But hopefully, you know, within the next hour or so, we'll have it in the right position.
We got it sitting just about where we want it to sit. We got to build motor mounts, so we're going to come up at an angle, come straight across here, and then come back down at an angle, piece straight down the frame for the torsion support. And that's going to be the same on both sides. So, yeah, that's pretty much where it's going to sit. Hold that, Kristen. This is how a real gun is supposed to feel like. Hold that socket. What the heck?
The DeWalt does that. My hands are wet.
His hands are wet.
Hold it again.
I broke it. I broke it.
Show it on there. You're not shoving it on there. What are you doing?
Not very good. Hey!
Jerk. Alright, so sorry about the noise. Tristan over here is welding a hitch on for David. He, how's it coming along?
It's going along somewhat.
Okay, good. What'd you do? Oh yeah, no, you're bleeding a little bit right there. Right there.
I'll be alright.
So, what'd you do?
Well, you see, We had this thing hooked up like this, but you know, I wasn't paying attention. Hit the pass with my face.
Very
Good
bright of you.
stuff.
Right there. Okay, so y'all are looking at this very confused, which is completely understandable. But the reason why we have the cab off the frame is so we can easily work on getting the motor mounts on and making it a little bit easier to work on. It's only 6 bolts that are holding down the cab, so it's a whole lot easier just to pull the cab, work on everything we need. The only reason it's not on yet is because we still have to do a drive shaft, which you can see kind of right here. No drive shaft yet. Got to go all the way back there to the axle. Motor mounts are done. You can see Michael in that video, him welding these together. Did a great job. Done on both sides. Just some square tubing. But they work great. I mean, motor's not completely mounted yet. Just bolts holding it in. Still a little loose. But yeah, it actually does fit. It sits at a little bit of a backwards angle, but it should make a pretty reliable Lemons car, since we are racing 20 hours. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.